Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to convert an MKV to MP4 file. And this is quite simple. You need this single application, the VLC media player, and you can download this for free. That won't cost you any money. But right now if you click on this, you will see this program just right here. And now if you go to media, you have on this program a convert option. So click on that. Then from here we need to add the MKV file. So let's say just right here. So if you can see, if we do properties, you can see this is a MKV file. Right now if you open this and we want to confirm this, so confirm save, you see here the file. And right now we do the following thing, that is we need to select the file that we want to have. So let's see, we need a video for YouTube, HD. Yeah, you can choose whatever you like, but right now if you do video for YouTube, HD, and we do the destination file just right here. Yeah, you can also click on display the output or deinterlace. Now it's not important for now, but right now if we click here on browse and do desktop again, and we call this one MP4, then we do save, and then if we click on start, he's converting it. And right now if we go to our background, it's standing just right here. I think he is still converting, if you maybe can see. I think he's loading just right here. But when this is done, you can click on your MP4 file and then you fix this. So let's see that this one is almost done. I think he needs 3 more seconds. Let's see. All right, it's done. And right now if you go to here and click on this file just like this, you see here that we have a MP4 file right now. So this is exactly how this works. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.